quick reading for May the 13th to May the 14th. Gemini, your cards are the Two of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Parang very chill ang drama, very chill ang moments na ito or mga araw na ito. Parang biglaang conversation, biglaang yung let's go to the mall, no, yung ganyan. I'm going to treat you, probably salon, ibibili ka ng kung ano, or magbibigay siya ng time, no? I think ito yung mga araw na parang yung Netflix and chill, mag-aano lang tayo. Walang away, we're just having a good time together, no? Parang let's create a good memory somehow kasi hindi man gumastos ng malaki. Ito yung araw na meron kayong harmony. Yung parang kahit magkatabi lang kayo, hindi, parang sapat na, no? Hindi kailangan ng magkaharbo, no? Dito nyo mafe-feel yung connection ninyong dalawa, no? Na talagang intact na. This is your quick reading, Gemini, for May the 13th to the 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.